Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Bentley Flying Spur, a luxurious powerhouse that blends classic elegance with cutting-edge tech like never before. The Flying Spur has always been Bentley's ultimate four-door grand tourer, and the 2025 model continues to elevate that legacy. From the outside, it maintains that unmistakable Bentley silhouette, long, sleek, and confident. The signature matrix grille dominates the front, flanked by LED crystal-cut headlights that shimmer like jewels. The lines are sharper, more refined, and the new aerodynamic enhancements give it a slightly more aggressive stance, hinting at the performance lurking beneath the hood. Under that long sculpted bonnet, you've got options: a twin turbocharged V8 for those who love classic power and sound, or a plug-in hybrid V6 that balances performance with sustainability. The hybrid now boasts an improved electric-only range of around 50 miles, perfect for urban cruising without sacrificing that Bentley smoothness. But let's be honest, and no matter the engine choice, this car is all about effortless power. Acceleration is silky and rapid, taking you from 0 to 60 in just over 4 seconds. Not bad for something that weighs over 2 tons and feels like a first-class lounge on wheels. Step inside, and you're welcomed by what can only be described as automotive opulence. Every surface is wrapped in the finest materials: a hand-stitched leather, real wood veneers, polished metal, and the craftsmanship is pure Bentley perfection. The 2025 model features a new infotainment system with a 12.3-inch rotating display, seamlessly blending tradition with modern functionality. There's also a new level of rear seat luxury: think massaging seats, champagne coolers, and touch-screen controls for everything from ambient lighting to window shades. Bentley also stepped up the tech game this year. The Flying Spur now includes enhanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control with lane centering, night vision, and even predictive navigation that adjusts based on driving style and conditions. It's smart, safe, and still manages to feel like a handcrafted masterpiece rather than a tech gadget on wheels. On the road, the Flying Spur glides like it's floating. The air suspension has been fine-tuned for 2025, absorbing every bump while keeping the ride perfectly level. Whether you're behind the wheel or being chauffeured in the back, this car is built to cocoon you in comfort, silence, and class. Starting at around $240,000, the 2025 Bentley Flying Spur isn't for everyone, but then again, it's not supposed to be. It's a statement, a symbol of success, and a masterclass in what happens when performance, luxury, and heritage come together. That's it for today's ride through the 2025 Bentley Flying Spur. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more legendary machines like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss an episode. Thanks for watching Rolling Legends, where luxury meets performance, and every car has a story. Catch you in the next one.